This video will be about modifying the rear lights of a Golf Mk5 to give them a Skyline inspired look. This is a DIY project, it's affordable and honestly it changed the whole rear end of the car. And to do that we will open the rear lights and we will put some red LED strips inside them so they can light up. This is how the rear lights look stock and this is how they will look after the modification. As you can see, it's 10 times better. The first thing that we will do is to remove this bulb holding plastic right here, and it's held in place with 3 T10 screws. Separating the lens from the housing is the hardest part and the scariest part of this project, because the lens of this rear light is held in place with melted plastic and not with a silicone or glue, so hitting this will not help us. For this you can also use a Dremel to cut the plastic in between, but I have found that using a putty knife will work fine. Just take your time and don't rush, and you can remove the lens without any cracks, and don't worry about the cracking sound, that's part of the process. If you will face something like this, where the part of the lens will stay on the rear light, in some places and some places not, just leave that in place. Do not try to remove that, because when we apply glue on top of that, when we seal this off, this will sit perfectly flush later on, so like this, and it will be as before, so don't remove that. And there will not be any gap, because the cracked plastic will go in their place after that, so don't worry. The important thing is to not crack the lens, and here it's perfectly fine. The next step is to remove this red plastic lens, and this is held in place with 3 clips, one here, and one right here, and we can just pry them out with a screwdriver, and we can pull it from the other side like this. And if you break those clips, don't worry, we will not need them, we will break them anyway later. The LED strip that I will use in this video is this one right here. It's a red one, and we will put one strip around this here and one strip here, so facing each other. This strip it's a 5 meters long, but it can be cut in sections, as you can see right here. The length for the longest strip will be 34 centimeters, and for the shorter one will be 19 centimeters. Here I am drilling a hole so we can run the wires of the shorter LED strip to the other side. For this step it's required a Dremel with a sanding tip to grind some of those plastics right here so the LED strip can sit flush to the housing. I just finished grinding all of those plastics right here, and now this is flush, so we can put the LED strip, and don't worry, it looks bad from now, but when we seal everything this will not be visible at all. This LED strip, it's already equipped with a double-sided tape in the back, so that's what we're gonna use to secure that in place. This hole right here, it's where we will run the wires for the longest one. While I'm doing this, if you haven't subscribed, it's the perfect time to smash that subscribe button to not miss any of the future videos. Now, before we assemble everything, we will have to break those clips as well in this lens right here. Like this. Before sealing everything, it's always a good idea to test it before. So for that we will use this type of connectors and we can test that. So we will connect the two positive wires of each strip together and the two negative wires of each strip together. So now everything is fine, both of them are turning on and we can seal this up. Remember that we broke the LED lens clips, and now to keep that in place we will have to melt some of those plastics with a soldering iron. Now to reseal this on, I will use some silicone. This is a transparent one. Don't use a black one because it will show through the lens. Any kind of transparent silicone for plastic should work. So we have to apply this all around the real light, and we can use some clamps like this to hold them for a few hours, and it will be again waterproof and very strong. As per the wiring, it is very easy. Here we have the two wires of the two LED strips that we installed, and here I have the two long wires that we will have to go inside the car. we will have to remove this white plastic, and we have here the boot that we have to run the wires through. And inside the car we will have to remove this panel. There is a torque screw under this plastic here, and we can take this off so we can run the wires from top right here to the boot and below, and we can find the wires here. This is the wire that we have connected the lights. We have to connect them to the socket of the outer rear light. So we have the two wires here. The positive one will have to be tapped to this purplish color, and the negative one to the brown color. Just do the same thing also for the other side of the car. Now I have finished everything, and this is the before. And this is the after. As you can see here, the rear look of the car, it's improved a lot. For sure, they look a lot better in person. This modification will be very cheap, and with a few hours of work, for sure you can do it by yourself. Just put your opinion down in the comments if you have any suggestion how to do it better or any other suggestion. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.